Okay, I'm Christine. I'm from Acton John Thompson. I'd just like to say to all of you, we have a very diverse group here. Some of us that have been here forever, Zonza, from very, very junior to new people, and like Shepard and Alvin, and Wesley, who's been around forever, and Michelle, who's been on and off, and Janice and Andani and whoever I've skipped. So very, very diverse group from all different sectors within our business. But the feedback I've had from those I've been, that everyone has taken this on so well, and they've had to put, I know this sounds strange, sacrifice a lot at work in order to be here, because I know what happens to each and every one of them once they get back to work, mostly tomorrow, all of them except for Andani, who's got a day or two off, but shame, she's been working so hard. So it takes a lot to just been here. Well done for investing in this and taking the most out of it. But the best is yet to come in the next 2 or 3 months. I don't know what the date is that you guys have to return your project. But, yeah, well done.